In this video, I am going to walk you through the current usage limits for the free, standard access tier of NotebookLM. Let's dive in. I'm starting here on the main NotebookLM dashboard before heading over to the official usage limits breakdown page to see exactly what's included. Looking at the standard access column, I can see that I am allowed up to 100 notebooks per user. When I work within an individual notebook, I am limited to 50 sources per project. My daily interactions are also capped. I get 50 chats per day, which is important to keep in mind for heavy research sessions. Moving down to the multimedia features, I have a limit of 3 audio overviews and 3 video overviews every day. For the cinematic version of those video overviews, the limit is slightly lower at just 2 per day. Now, let's look at the study and reporting tools. I can generate 10 reports and 10 sets of flashcards daily, but I am restricted to just 1 quiz per day. Interestingly, mind maps currently show no limits for standard users, which is a great bonus. However, the powerful deep research feature is limited to 10 uses per month. Finally, for more complex outputs like data tables, infographics, and slide decks, the standard plan offers only limited access compared to the higher tier paid versions. These limits are subject to change, but this gives a clear picture of what I can do for free. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.